Are you ready to revolutionize the way you invest? I'm pretty sure you never heard about what I'm about to reveal. It will be a game changer in the world of investments. Forget stocks and traditional options. Let's talk about a modern powerhouse, Royaltiz. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the incredible opportunities this platform offers, from backing your favorite artists and athletes to unlocking passive income streams. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make money with Royaltiz. Royaltiz, the cutting-edge investment platform, is reshaping the investment landscape. Picture this. Instead of buying shares of companies, you're investing in the success of celebrities, musicians, athletes, influencers, and cashing in on their earnings. It's like the stock market, but with a twist. Developed by a French startup, Royaltiz leverages blockchain technology to create a new wave of investment opportunities. Here's the scoop. Royaltiz operates like the stock market, but instead of company shares, you're buying ROIs, your ticket to a percentage of a celebrity's income. Whether it's a musician's royalties, an athlete's winnings, or an influencer's brand deals, you earn dividends based on the runs you own. Plus, you can make a profit by selling your ROIs at a higher price than you bought them. It's innovative, it's bold, and it's the future of investing. Now, let me show you the ropes. With just 15 euros, you can kickstart your Royaltiz journey. Use the first link in the description of this video to get up to 10k euros bonus by signing up and depositing a minimum of 15 euro. Once you are signed up, you can go through all of the celebrities and get their ROIs in only a few clicks. Don't forget that timing is everything on Royaltiz. Here is surely one of the best strategies to make money with Royaltiz. It's to invest in the introduction of celebrities on the Royaltiz platform. Royaltiz introduces new celebrities every week. The introductory price is always $2, but the quantity of ROIs available may vary depending on the celebrity's popularity at the time of introduction. As the platform evolves, you'll be able to buy and sell ROIs directly with other investors, consult market trends, analyze a talent's popularity, and decide when you want to take action. Just something important to keep in mind when investing on Royaltiz. The value of celebrities' ROIs don't vary according to their performance. It varies according to supply and demand. This means if a lot of people buy at the same time a celebrity ROI, the ROI's value will increase. In the same way, if a lot of people sell the same player's ROI, the ROI's value will decrease. For example, if a football player is about to play in the World Cup or the Olympics, his value may change, as people think his value will increase, and they buy ROI of that player, thus increasing the value of the ROI. Let's talk about strategy. While Royaltiz is still in its early stages, there's potential for massive growth. Like any investment, it comes with risks, but early adopters often reap the biggest rewards. Diversify your portfolio and consider allocating a small percentage to Royaltiz. It's a calculated risk that could pay off big if the platform continues its upward trajectory. Now let's dive deeper into building your celebrity portfolio. Royaltiz boasts an ever-expanding lineup of talent, and it's crucial to diversify your ROIs. Explore different categories from sports icons to rising music stars and influential content creators. Remember, the more diverse your portfolio, the better positioned you are for potential gains. Stay tuned as we explore some of the hottest talents available right now. I'd like to talk to you about Antoine Dupont, who will be on the 2024 Olympic rugby team in Paris. Remember that it is not investment advice. Only invest the money you are willing to lose. Royaltiz has big plans on the horizon. Explore the Learn More section on their website to check out the roadmap, showcasing past milestones and upcoming features. With plans to expand internationally, including an incoming and long-awaited launch in the United States, you can anticipate even more celebrities joining the platform. The potential for growth is huge. As we wrap up, Royaltiz isn't just an investment platform. It's a glimpse into the future of finance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes in, Royaltiz offers an exciting, unique approach to building wealth. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be part of this groundbreaking movement. Sign up with the link in description to earn up to 10k euros of reward buying your first celebrity's ROI. And don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any opportunities about Royaltiz. Keep in mind that the Olympic Games are just around the corner and the US launch is imminent.